Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a Chrysler 200 or Fiat 500 guys and you're trying to figure out the symptoms of a bad purge valve, stay with us guys. Super helpful video to you today guys. We'll explain what it does, what are the symptoms of a purge valve that is stuck open, stuck close, or symptoms of a purge valve line being broken, and also known as vacuum leak on this one. So stay with us guys, we'll cover all that. This engine guys, as you know, it's been used on multiple Dodge, Chrysler and Fiat vehicles, and Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Fiat, they share their engines because it's one company now. So that will relate to any of you guys having a Chrysler 200 or Fiat 500 as well. Now, quick introduction, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's explain now guys, okay, what we need to do here. This is guys the engine, okay, that's what it looks like on the front side. The back side, okay, this is a spare engine that we have here. You have that foam piece that we removed, so, excuse me, well, I can show you where the purge valve is located. If you want to see the video how to replace it, we'll have it from start to finish guys. So check it out. Now, this is your fuel line that goes, fuel goes to the fuel injectors, okay, right here. This is your purge valve line. This line guys brings the fuel vapors from the fuel tank, and the purge valve opens and they get in the intake manifold, and from the intake manifold they go in the cylinders. The vapors burn, you get better mileage, the car is more efficient, using less fuel, and you do not pollute the atmosphere. So that's the advantage of the purge valve, something very important for emissions. Now, when they fail guys, usually you get a code for a purge valve. It could be something like P0443 or P0444, P0442 guys. Quite a few codes can relate purge valve, so we'll have those listed in the description of the video below. But sometimes guys, they don't give you a code, sometimes they can give you different codes and different things. Now the most dangerous thing is guys having a vacuum leak, also known as broken line from the PCV valve to the intake manifold. Because the engine will think that the PCV valve works, but it will not detect the vacuum leak because it doesn't know that that line is broken. So make sure you stay until the end, we'll explain what can cause that and how you can actually spend hundreds of dollars fixing it, and all you need is a new hose. So we'll go ahead and remove it quick guys, and I will explain the symptoms, okay, of a purge valve, okay, that is stuck open and stuck closed now. So let's go ahead, pull it out now. Okay, this is the valve here guys. Now that valve guys, when it's stuck open, usually you may get a code for a purge valve, but what will happen, the engine will develop, it's called a vacuum leak. It will get more air than you think it's getting. How that happens? You have the air filter box here, you have the mass airflow sensor that detects how much air is going in the engine, but past that the engine doesn't have a place where it detects how much air it's getting, and any extra air that it's getting it doesn't know about. Okay, it's too much air and less fuel in the engine, which is known as vacuum leak guys, and it can give you a code guys for oxygen sensor, for car running lean guys, or you may develop guys rough idle, misfire, or hard time starting your engine, especially when it's cold. That's one thing guys, because you'll be getting more air than it should. So those are the symptoms guys of a stuck open valve. What about stuck close? Stuck close, pretty simple. You will not have rough idle, misfire or anything like that, but you guys get emission code and you get a code for purge valve pretty quick. So if it's stuck closed, that's the best scenario. Now the worst scenario guys is the purge valve is good, but that line, that hose from the purge valve to the intake manifold, if it has a crack somewhere, the engine and the engine computer will think that this device is working, but actually you will be leaking air and your car will be running lean. Again, it may detect that you need new oxygen sensor or new mass airflow sensor, so you put those and you still get the same codes, when actually guys it could be just a vacuum leak from this hose or another vacuum leak on your engine. So that's really hard to diagnose sometimes, always check the hoses. So those are the symptoms guys on that engine. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.